Good morning, dear students. In the last lecture, we discussed about how to connect Python with MySQL. So we studied 6-7 steps. So first step is import the package MySQL.connector. So if you want to import that particular package, your system contains MySQL.connector module. Okay. This MySQL.connector is not an inbuilt module. So if you want to import that particular package in your program, first you have to install that package. So in this lecture, what I am doing is I am just showing how to install a package in Python. It is MySQL.connector or whatever package. If you want to install, follow these steps. So one requirement for installing MySQL.connector is it needs Python version 3.5 or above. If you install 3.4, then you cannot install this package. So Python version 3.5 or above support MySQL.connector. So these steps you can follow to install any package in Python. Okay, so first step is, here we are installing using command prompt. So open command prompt and move to the folder script in Python. When you are installing Python, normally one folder named Python is there. Inside that one, a folder named script is there. So open command prompt and move to the particular folder, script folder in Python. Then we are using a command called pip. Pip is the command used for installing packages in Python. So the syntax is pip install the package. Okay. So here if you are installing MySQL.connector, then you give the command pip install MySQL.connector. If you are installing any other package, give the name here. That's the only difference. So first go to the folder script. So open command prompt. So you have to give cmd here. Open command prompt. So move to the folder script in Python. Actually I opened that particular Python folder in Python. Another one version is folder is there, Python 3832. This means it is Python 3.8 version. Inside that script folder is there. So you just copy this particular part. Okay, and here paste it. Before pasting, you have to use the command cd. cd is used for changing the directory. Then paste this part. So now here in script. Then use the pip command. Pip install MySQL.connector. Make sure your system is connected to the internet. Okay. After entering the command, put enter. Then wait for some moment. Now it starts download. This way we are installing Python. So here successfully installed MySQL connector. Sometimes if you want to install a package, we need to update the version of pip. Then you can use the command python -m pip install upgrade pip. You can use this then. This way we are installing any package in Python. So I think you are clear. Now I am showing whether it is installed properly or not. Open IDLE. Just type import MySQL.connector. Now it's okay. If you have not installed MySQL.connector, then it will show your module name MySQL.connector. So this way we are installing a package in Python.